Wolf Creek Generating Station. For 30 years, we have safely produced electricity for our owners' customers in Kansas and Missouri. But in 2014, it was clear we needed to make significant changes. Our industry had steadily improved, but we had not. So we committed to an improvement path aimed at restoring our performance, pride, and long-term viability. The improvement path has 3 phases: rebuilding, drive to excellence, and continuous improvement. With the completion of the rebuilding plan and the High 5 and 15 transition plan, we're ready to return to long-range business planning. So here's the 2016 to 2020 Drive to Excellence plan. With the new plan comes a new mission: run the plant well. While it sounds simple, it will take all of us working together as a team to make it happen. And because we focus on results, we have metrics that define running the plant well. No OSHA recordable injuries, top quartile performance on the INPO Performance Indicator Index, no greater than green NRC findings, outage durations of 45 days or less, and second quartile production cost. Our mission, run the plant well, says what we do, and our competencies and principles describe how we do it. Our 4 competencies are own it, managing risk, problem solving, and interpersonal savvy. And our 9 principles are described in our Drive to Excellence business plan. Things like people are our most valuable resource, teamwork matters, and training is about learning. Our Drive to Excellence plan has 4 long-range strategic areas: operational excellence, team effectiveness, generation reliability, and business performance. And we have 6 priorities for 2016: operational precision, consistent high standards, learning, leadership development, outage performance, and oversight. And you have division plans with the same structure, so you can be sure the work you're doing is directly helping move Wolf Creek forward. In 2016, we have an INPO corporate evaluation, a refueling outage, and our operations training programs are up for accreditation renewal. But our Drive to Excellence plan will help us stay on track. With 30 years behind us, we have experienced people with a solid Midwestern work ethic. And with 30 years ahead of us, we need each of you working as a team to run the plant well.